In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Whether you're reconsidering your current e-commerce platform choice or simply taking a break from your online store, knowing how to properly cancel your Shopify subscription can save you from unwanted charges and ensure a smooth transition. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Just type shopify.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Shopify homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed. It's a simple step but essential to access the settings needed to cancel your subscription. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your store's URL. This is the unique link to your Shopify store. If you're unsure what it is, it usually looks something like your storename.shopify.com. Enter this information and then click on Continue with Email. This step is crucial because Shopify uses this information to direct you to your specific store's admin page. After clicking on Continue with Email, you will be presented with a choice to sign in using your email or choose an existing account if you've previously signed in with Google, for instance. If that's the case, select your account and proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the administration dashboard of your Shopify store, often referred to simply as My Store. It's from here that you'll be navigating through the Shopify backend to manage your subscription. Your next step is to click on the Settings option, which you'll find at the bottom left of the dashboard. This will take you to a page where various settings of your Shopify store can be adjusted, from payment providers to checkout settings. However, our focus today is on your subscription settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Plan. This section deals with your current Shopify plan. Clicking on it will bring up details about your current subscription, including the plan type, billing cycle, and additional charges if any. Once you're in the plan settings, you'll notice an option to cancel trial or cancel subscription. The wording will depend on whether you're currently on a trial period or if you're on a paid plan. Clicking on this is a big step, so take a moment to consider the implications. Cancelling will mean losing access to Shopify's suite of tools and services according to their terms. After clicking on Cancel Trial or Cancel Subscription, you will likely be taken through a series of confirmation steps. Shopify might ask for feedback or offer alternatives to cancellation, such as pausing your store. These options can be useful if you're unsure about fully committing to cancellation. If you decide to proceed, follow the prompts to finalize the cancellation. It's important to note that according to Shopify's terms, any existing charges or upcoming billing cycles might still apply depending on your billing cycle and the timing of your cancellation. Once you've completed the cancellation process, Shopify will confirm that your subscription has been cancelled. You'll still have access to your admin to retrieve any information or migrate your store until the end of your current billing cycle, unless you're on a trial which ends immediately upon cancellation. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the process of cancelling your Shopify subscription. This can be a bittersweet moment, especially if your store holds a lot of memories or was a significant part of a business endeavor. However, the great thing about Shopify is that you can always come back and start anew should your situation or decision change in the future. Before I wrap up, a quick reminder to check your email for any confirmation from Shopify regarding the cancellation of your subscription. It's always good to have written confirmation for your records. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Whether you're moving to a different platform, taking a break, or closing your business, understanding how to manage your subscription effectively is crucial. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more informative content. See you in the next video.